Yo, we are back once again. Here from the DeLorean, the 4097 serial number. Today I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the dash cam we installed. As a Blackvue installer, we installed here the DR-590W, 2-channel with 128 gigabyte memory. So here we have the front camera, over there we have the rear camera. You can change the rear camera to film inside. Now it's filming the inside of the cockpit, but you can turn it around and adjust it with your app to put upside down, and then you can see it like it should be. We also did this button. You can see here the button. It's a camera on or off. Now we have activated the camera with the button. We did this so you can film 24/7 when you want. Now the camera is activated. We did this because when you put the 24/7 module from Blackvue, the car will not film that long, because when it captures a low voltage it will deactivate the camera. This is good for flat batteries, but not good if you want to film some longer. Now we did this because now you can choose when to film. When the car is locked up, it's not keen to film 24/7 in a black room, so here now you can put it off. When we put it on to drive, when we're on a parking, when we're on an event, then we can film 24/7 till we turn it off. And also it's very nice with the original lookalike button. I think that was it for today. See ya.